Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial videos. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to draw this 3D model of exercise 6 using Fusion 360. Okay, so first of all we have to create the sketch with these dimensions and then we will extrude it to 10. Okay, now create a sketch using sketch tool. Now specify the plane. So we are selecting front plane and then now click on line and then draw the line according to the dimensions. Click the first point as a origin point for the line. Now specify the value 30, then left click of mouse. So a vertical 30 mm line is created. Now draw a line of 30, left click. Now this value is 10. Okay, so 10, click, and this horizontal value is 10. Again, now 10. Now it is from here to here is 30. Specify value 30 and height of this model is 30. So 30. Next thing is its length is 10. So simply type 10 and then next its height is 10. Now you don't have angle here, so we will draw it without any dimension, but we will hover over this point and then drag cursor and then click anywhere on this line so that it will be on this particular plane. Now specify the dimension 20. Okay, again draw a line and similarly 10 and then close. Now what we have to do is we have to specify the dimensions. So till here we have dimensions 10 horizontally, vertically 10, but we don't have a dimension from here to draw this line. But we have a horizontal dimension between this point and this point. It is 15. So we will specify the distance 15, enter. Okay, now its distance is 10. Okay, now the distance between these 2 points is this is 10. Okay, 30. Now the whole diagram is fully constrained. You can check here, it is 15. Okay, now click on this finish sketch. Click on this home button and then select the extrude tool to extrude it. Drag it up to the specified length. It is 10. Now we specify the value 10 and then OK. Now you have your 3D model in Fusion 360 with these dimensions. Okay. You can also create similar model, same model by using another method. Okay. It's up to the user. That's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format, so you can open them directly. With 500 plus practice exercises, this is the ultimate resource to level up your CAD skills. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.